Hello there, my name is Nasrallo and I'm bringing you this emergency cryptocurrency update. Now in this video I want to share something absolutely incredible, something that has to do with this thing right here and also with this thing right here as well. And also want to take a look at smaller time frames and exactly what is going on with Bitcoin right now and what we can expect from it in the immediate short-term perspective as well as the long-term perspective. So this video is very important and please watch it from the beginning till the end so that you are not confused later on in terms of what is going on and what is my outlook into the current market situation. Now, as always, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're always notified when I make a new upload. And down in the description of this video, there is my only real Telegram channel, which you can join to stay updated to all the market fluctuations. And I can always post much faster in my Telegram channel than on YouTube. So, okay, and without any further ado, I hope that you are participating in Krallo online trading competition, which has a $50,000 potential prize pool. All the links down in the description as well as in the pinned comment. It doesn't cost anything to participate. And if you are a beginner trader or experienced trader, then everyone is welcome from anywhere and you can just participate and see if you can win a huge prize. And also the top winner is going to take a guaranteed seat at Krallo Trading Show Season 2. So epic prizes, go and join it right now. And as for us right here, without any further ado, let's just jump right into this video. So, very important currently. Let's just take this top to bottom approach here. Let's start with the biggest things, move on to the short-term things and also relatively big things, and then move to actual Bitcoin chart and see what kind of trades we can put in and what kind of implication all of this could have on Bitcoin. Remember, if you want to be trading actively, then Bybit is one of the best places to do so. And with my exclusive link down in the description of this video, you'll get a $4,100 deposit bonus on top of your initial deposit and also a 30% discount on commissions and fees in general, and just with my link, a 0% maker fees. So that's awesome for 0% trading maker fees. So go and click the link in the description or in the pinned comment. So let's start with the big thing. And this is absolutely huge for Bitcoin right now. This is the fidelity to allow retirement savings allocation to Bitcoin in 401k accounts. So in simple layman terms, people can put their retirement savings partially into Bitcoin. They will be able to do that with Fidelity. And this is absolutely crazy. Just guys and girls, just imagine how much money is gonna flow into Bitcoin when this kind of a thing will open, the doors are gonna open to so much money for Bitcoin. It's absolutely crazy. I mean, even if we're gonna have 10% of the pension fund money in Bitcoin, just of Fidelity, it's gonna take Bitcoin far past $100,000. Just let that sink in. And this is for all the Bitcoin haters to just realize that if one thing like this happens, that's it. They're going to miss out on an incredible bull rally. So let's go down here. April 26, Fidelity Investments said on Tuesday it will allow individuals to allocate part of their retirement savings in Bitcoin through their 401k investment plans, becoming the first major retirement provider to do so. So mass adoption, it's here. So the family-controlled asset manager said that MicroStrategy Incorporated, a major Bitcoin corporate backer, will be the first employer to use the new product, which will be made available to other employers by the middle of this year. Not next year, not in 30 years, this year, guys and girls. Absolutely epic, absolutely huge. And I mean, let me know down in the comments if this is starting to change your mind a little bit in terms of whether you're long-term bullish on Bitcoin or not. Tell me in the comments right now. Now, let's move on to the dollar index. This is very huge, and this is something that I've mentioned in one of my previous videos. The dollar index is very important when we have to evaluate the situation in terms of Bitcoin. And whenever dollar index, when the dollar is strengthening so much, then certainly it's going to be not so good for example, for Bitcoin, which is against the dollar, so to speak, right? So currently, we are right at the top of this range right here at 103.5 basically, and this is just historically super high right here, and this level has been super important, and a lot of people, myself including, we were expecting a at least a slight pullback from this level, potentially down past 100 right here, which would give Bitcoin an incredible upper hand in an at least immediate short-term perspective. So this is something that you have to pay attention to very much so, and the dollar index has been Dixie has been very important in predicting the future move of Bitcoin in general. And whenever we would see this kind of remember I showed you this correlation before, whenever we see this drop right here, this is when this area, let me just highlight it right here, when we have this kind of a correction in dollar index, this is when Bitcoin is going through the roof, you remember, right? So, and the same thing here, and look where we are standing, right at the top. So I'm not saying that it's gonna, Bitcoin is gonna rally in the next 20 seconds. Again, it's all the matter of perspective, but very soon I'm thinking we're gonna see a big rally in Bitcoin for sure. So, and this is something that is bringing us to the most important chart of the day. Let's just go to DCUSD, and let's take a look at this one right here, which is going to give us an interesting indication into as what we can expect in the immediate short-term perspective. And again, we are kind of stuck in between a bunch of different important key market levels, and the weekly chart gives us a very good illustration of what it all looks like. Let's go to a smaller time frame, and we'll see that we had a powerful push. So we got rejected from 37,800 right in this area, which is some kind of a strong level right here. Just historically, it's just not that very clean one, so it's very difficult to pinpoint it very precisely, in my opinion. But nonetheless, so we got pushed back above once again 39,300, and currently, and this is something that nobody is talking about on YouTube currently, and that is let's go to the 4-hour chart, and the chart looks very complicated, I know, but nonetheless, let's try to mark something together, and you're gonna find a very interesting bullish formation right here. So if we do it approximately like this, and also if we're gonna do it just like that, then we're gonna find ourselves a very nice falling wedge. And as you might remember, that statistically falling wedges break mostly above than below. So in this instance, this is a very interesting formation right now. So we are definitely going to see, again, this is important to remember, and this is something I mentioned in the previous video and the video before. So make sure to stay in tune and in line with what I'm saying in each single one of my videos, that this week is huge for earnings reports of big tech companies, and it's going to impact NASDAQ. And we know that NASDAQ is Bitcoin is very much correlated with NASDAQ. So we still can see huge volatility in the short-term perspective. However, this falling wedge, which is happening right here, could be breaking out, going above with an interesting retest, and then the retest could come in at this level once again at 39,300 potentially, if there is going to be a retest. So, and this is a very interesting opportunity for a long trade. So if we're gonna see a really nice powerful break and stabilization above this falling wedge, this is an interesting opportunity to put in a long trade, and you can use my Bybit link, claim an insane bonus, which you can actually use for your trading and use it, as an extra funds for your trades. So do it right now. Again, link in the description or in the pinned comment. So, and in this instance, another opportunity to enter would be a retest of, for example, these two major levels, which is currently the resistance of this falling wedge, and also the support, which could come in as a support, which is a very important level of 39,300. But remember that and now this is the short-term perspective technical target. So our technical target could be something like, if we put the breakout here, could be around $44,000, and on the way to the most important resistance, which can be used as an identification of a complete turnaround for Bitcoin if we finally break above and stabilize above 45,700, which we didn't in this area, we got rejected. So in this instance, it certainly is a very interesting swing trade that you can take, the ones that I just mentioned, two options, an early entry in this area, the break of this falling wedge, and you can actually use both to scale into your trade, or the retest of this area right here as we break out of it. So as a thought, And certainly our technical target would be $44,000 right here. However, guys and girls, and I'm always telling you that you have to always keep your expectations straight. So technical target is a technical target. But at the same time, we have huge resistances on the way. So I would say that first take profit area to, for example, at least break even on this trade should be around this yellow resistance right here, which has been previously huge support for us from the daily chart. So this would be the first take profit area. And the second take profit area would be right here, which is 42,300, which has been an insanely strong key market level, and we saw an incredible rejection right here, and a lot of people got liquidated in this area. And thankfully I was able to leave with a pretty much a zero trade. So this is definitely something. And then your third take profit area could certainly be in this area right here, right before this super important key market level of 44,700. And yeah, so this would be the three levels and the three most important take profit areas for this breakout if it were to come in the coming hours or days. So remember, stay smart, understand the macro situation, understand technicals, super key, important key market levels, and always understand what is going on with things like the dollar index, which is a huge indication for us in terms of what's to come in a short-term perspective as well as the long-term actually, because the dollar index chart that I showed you was, you know, the whole chart consisted of many years. Actually, it's not like a short-term perspective chart actually. So yes, stay smart, and if you want to learn how to do all these things properly and do it yourself and without my help, then go to thomascrallo.com and become one of my students at my certified and accredited trading learning program. It's a 5 months long incredible trading education which takes you from A to Z, from knowing nothing about trading to being able to pick these kinds of incredible trades, understand the market, and be able to become a successful trader or investor. Stay smart, stay rich, make some noise down in the comments for Mr. Spot On, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.